Hello guys, today we will be replacing the oil pressure sensor. We have a freshly new one, original Audi. The sensor is located right above the oil filter housing. As you can see here, where the yellow line goes. That's the one. First off, you need to disconnect the connector from the sensor. In order to do so, you push it in and hit the clips. And it's out. Let's go. For the next part, you will need a deep socket, 24 millimeters. And just unplug the sensor. Can finish the rest by hand. And the old sensor is out. Now to install the new one, the exact same thing. Start threading it by hand. And finish off with the wrench. Just tighten it.
תגיד כמה זה צריך להיות tight.
אני לא זוכר.
Until it's tight.
Yeah, until it's pretty snug. Don't forget to reconnect the cable to the sensor. Just push it in.
Yellow cable?
Yeah, but it's yellow because I changed the cable. It was originally green. There you go. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Wow, don't forget to smash the subscribe button.
Some more projects coming soon.
Some more projects coming soon. See you in the next one.